Hi, I am Dr. M.R. Pujari. I am dental surgeon as well as implant specialist at iSmile group of dental clinics, Bengaluru, Karnataka. So gum bleeding is the most common complaint with which many patients visit dentist. Whenever you are having food or whenever you are brushing your teeth, you often see bleeding, and in most of the time you might have heard that the doctors recommended you a laser gum surgery. Laser gum surgery is a newer technique of making your gums healthy. In this, normally it is done under local anesthesia, where the dentists will remove the inflamed gum, and that will make your gums healthier. So laser gum surgery is more, you can say, painless and a quick way and more efficient way of making your gums healthy. So you have a pyorrhea or a gum disease, what we call an enlarged gums. Laser gum surgery normally we perform under local anesthesia, and we use different intensity of the laser to remove the diseased part of the gum, and the new gum will grow much healthier. So laser technique is a newer way. It is more efficient. It is painless compared to the older technique where we normally use blade and scalpel, but in laser we use a laser beam which efficiently removes the diseased gum, and it is done under local anesthesia. Sometimes it is done under local anesthesia spray also. No need to give injection every time. You can manage this under the spray. Yes, laser gum surgery is an efficient way of making your gums healthy under local anesthesia. So if the patient had gums, bleeding gums and pyorrhea, we did a laser gum treatment for that patient. Normally it takes, we give medication course as well for 7 days to 15 days. Ideally it takes 7 days, but it can take maximum 15 days so that the new gums will grow there, and that can make the whole gum area much healthier. So it normally takes 7 to 15 days to gums become healthier. So laser gum surgery, as we know, it's more painless procedure. It is ideally meant for gum bleeding patients and gum enlargement, the gum swelling patients. So it is painless modality, and it is the best technique to remove the diseased gum, and definitely it will make the gums healthier, which is within 7 to 15 days the patients will be visit dentist with the healthier gums. So in laser gum surgery, the target area is basically gums. The laser beam never targets your teeth because it has different intensity. The intensity is set to your gums. So the laser gum surgery never targets your tooth. So your tooth are always safe. In some cases, the teeth sensitivity can happen, which can be managed with a desensitizing paste, but it is a safe modality for the gums.